another YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing solo gold duos, trying to get a win with Flame Regen. So yeah, I guess we're just going to try to get a win and get this upload for you guys. Yesterday we did get killed by Mizel and oh my gosh!
I got a chest with a quad bike.
Oh flipping! I need help. Look, there's people everywhere. Actually,
I'm coming.
There's one person.
I'm coming. I need help. I need assistance. I'm gonna die. I'm fucking dead, dude. I'm here.
Flipping no guns in this house, eh? This game's so crap.
I only have one gun.
Oh, present.
Do you have rockets?
What?
Do you have rockets? Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
Where is
I need rockets.
This guy's over like the east.
What? There's a rocket launcher. Wait, can I have the gun since all I have is a rocket? Minigun, wow. Can I have ammo? I've got no ammo for it. 30 bullets, yeah. Scar, my scar. Oh, there's a chest.
Compact here.
Oh, there's. Yo, dude. Oh, my dollies, my dollies, my dollies. Your compact, if you want it.
Oh, I already got one. People on me.
I'm coming.
He's white.
I'm throwing nades,
Both white.
Nades thrown. Oh, knocked one off the nades. Knocked one off the nades on me. He's weak.
Ah! He's finishing! This guy's low. This guy is low. He's gonna finish. He's finishing. He's low, Regen. He's low. Oh my gosh. You made me go lightheaded.
Just a question, how was he finishing you when I was fighting him? Like
so he was looking at me. My neck hit. Dude, stop taking it.
My palm.
Dude, I need this new sniper.
I don't have one. Do you have any rockets?
If you find a new sniper, I want it.
Do you have any rockets?
No. I have 1 bullet for my shotgun. I have 30 bullets
Oh,
for my
big
AR.
pot and minis under the tree.
What?
Big pot and minis under the tree.
I'm taking the big pot and the minis.
Yeah.
Don't loot doghouse. Don't come here.
You'll find.
It's already been flipping looted anyway. It's stupid. Dude, I've got no ammo.
What do you need ammo for?
Everything except light.
I have like no AR, but I can give you some shotgun if you need shotgun.
I have 1 bullet.
Okay. Come get the minis and the big pot and I'll give you some shotgun ammo too. Getting blue dollies, dog. Did you loot broken?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't.
Oh, I'll loot it then. Go to the Christmas tree and I'll give you some soon if you need it.
Yeah, wait, I'm going modern.
Okay, I'm going broken. I think broken's been
I
good.
hear a plane.
Is he on you?
I'm scared of planes now because of what Fresh did to me.
I hear shots.
Yeah, he's right here.
Okay.
I'm scared of planes because of what Fresh did to me.
I've got a rift to go. Yo.
Wait, I'm actually scared of planes because of what Fresh did.
Yeah.
I've got rockets.
Okay.
I've got a rift to go.
Same.
I'm just farming.
Same. Why are we doing all the same stuff? Yo, dude. What's up, dude? Flame Drax, Flame Regen. Nasty. We need to get DSR in here and do spots.
So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Regen need to do a thumbnail for this.
Yeah, we'll do it somewhere. Alright, it's just solo goal gameplay.
Yeah.
Should I put the...
I literally nearly just used my rift to go. I was like, holy crap.
Do you want me to put like full legendary inventory?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put that down the bottom of the thumbnail.
And then put, oh my god, Victory Royale. Right.
Yeah, I'll put the Victory Royale symbol on it.
And then put, oh my god. OMG.
Oh, I got sniped, I got sniped.
Where?
I was joking, I didn't get sniped. What do you mean?
So guys, let's just farm up some mats.
Ay, better be Jeffrey Baker. Even max wood ain't gonna do nothing on us. Even max wood ain't gonna do anything on us. Oh, playing close, broken house, coming in, pleasant. Dude, this is nasty.
50 both.
Okay. They're weak, they should be weak. Rockets, do you have rockets? Rockets.
Oh, that's really flipping good. How do you hit your shot?
Oh, I hit him with my RPG, 120. The guy on the roof. The guy on the roof's been hit by
the one lasered this other default. Knocked one.
Oh, killed him. Oh, let's go. I'll get my laser.
Sniper. I want to get my loot. Don't steal any of my loot. That's mine.
Oh, no, this is mine.
Do they have a sniper? If they
My guy had the sniper.
Oh, yes. Do you have a shield?
No. Do you have rockets?
No. Oh,
The shield here.
Yes,
Shield.
I do.
Shield here. Shield there. Dude, I've got 7 rockets. Let's go.
I bought this the first sniper. You know what's my favorite, right?
You know, my dualies are my favorite.
Yeah.
I'm so happy they unvaulted it. Where do you want to go? Do you want to stay here or rift? I've already got decent materials. What? How much do you have?
600 wood, 200 wood.
Oh, I have 200 brick and 700 wood. Oh, now I actually have max wood. I thought it was 700 because my screen has the black bars for stretch resolution, so it looks like everything's different. I'm gonna farm up these. They don't give you much, but it's still enough. Middle.
I reckon we should get on top of this hill here.
That zipline annoyed me so much, catching me off. Okay, where do you want to go to?
This hill.
Okay.
That hill there.
That was me who shot.
No rift to go.
Ah, yeah, you can use yours.
I'll use yours.
Why?
Because I'm always in dangerous situations.
How am I?
Can you just use yours, please?
Let's just build up.
No, we're not going on this hill.
What hill?
One that I marked.
Let's just riff from Durburger. Is it Castle Hill? No, it's that one.
Oh yeah, we should go Castle Hill.
Oh yeah, let's go there. Or should we grab a quad and like drive up it?
I'll see a plane.
Oh, let's get that.
That
Oh,
glitched the hell out of it.
yeah, I saw that.
Oh, he's gonna don't shoot at it.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's 2 planes. Another plane just over Lacey. There's rift. We got to rift close. There's 3 planes. We got to rift. Run to the rift before we could take.
Oh, there's
Is it
one behind. Just go
Just
to
get the rift. Get to the rift.
Oh, that scared the crap out of me. You don't know how much I did. Oh, he's got the rift. He got the rift.
God. Kid. He went straight down. He went down. He's gone to that plane hill. He's gone to plane hill.
Yeah.
Let's go to junk. Let's go to junk. Oh no, let's go to this mountain and get up to
Let's
it.
just go to junk and we can hide in there. Holy crap, I just saw that guy with the RPG just pop right behind me like...
Yeah,
Oh!
he went to the plane mountain, so he's nowhere near it.
Yeah.
We can loot again. It's unlooted.
We ate.
We ate.
Big shield, please, or minis?
I need a big shield too.
I need
Oh.
more than you.
Yeah, I know, but if we both get one, we'll definitely both get one. I'm touching wood, so it's not jinxing us. Oh, I got a normal scar. Oh, that's me a shot. That's me a shot.
Big shield, please.
Bro.
Game.
Big shields, dude. Oh. Where the big shield at?
Big shield, you need to give it to me though.
I know. But you can't even find a big shield. Where are the big shields at? God damn it. Where the freaking big
Did
shield?
you ever make it? Have you seen one?
Nope. I don't think so. Where the frick are the big shields at, bro?
I'm telling you, dog. I don't know, dog. Let's go loot there. Actually, no, we don't
Yeah.
loot there.
Let's loot Quad Crasher's track. There's a chest here, you didn't even loot it. There was nothing. It was just grenades and a press scar.
I've got max wood.
Same. See? Okay, let's loot ATK place. Quad.
I'm getting lots of wood.
Nah, Quad Crasher place is just out of zone. Should we go loot castle? You're true. We don't have many kills because we can't.
Find anyone.
Yeah, I know, right?
There's 3 rifts up there.
Oh, there's kids. Southwest 260 or something.
Where?
Up on castle. It's you can't see it because you're far.
I see it.
Okay.
1v1,
There is it.
1 by 1, 1
Let's,
by 1.
let's use a rift. Let's use a rift.
I don't want to go for them. No, just
I
calm
did.
your farm for now. I'm not going for the rift region. Region, no.
Yeah, we're gonna
Just
get.
wait, because the next zone's about to be... We'll just wait 15 seconds. And then
I'm going over here. Going over here. We still have 2 rift to goes.
I'm hiding in the bush for now. Does that bush look perfect here?
No, I see a wing. I see part of your wing.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the zone so we don't have to run or whiff. To go. Whiff to go. Whiff.
Actually, no, we don't go in the rift. I know. We're gonna
What?
run. Okay,
Yeah.
this is what me and my dad do. We have strategies. We run around.
Yeah, but what's the point of
Go
the
through.
rap and border if you could
We've
just
got
riff?
time. We've got time.
Yeah, but you could just riff and clear your location.
Okay, so I see more people southeast up in
We're
there.
gonna go die because we ran around touching wood, so it's not gonna jinx us. But if we do, then
There's 5 left, so... Stay behind behind this tree just for now. No building.
I'm gonna go behind this one.
Yeah, behind that one.
So this is in like.
I see people south. Do not shoot unless you've got the clear shot if you're standing still. I think he just saw me.
Oh, on the hill.
Is that good? Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
Don't
not south.
peek, he's looking that way.
It's south, bro. See, people rifted from castle. No one's even taken a peep at them.
The silent sniper's so good. I took a shot and he didn't know.
Zone.
I know.
Let's go to the fight. Let's go to a fight. Push tree by tree. Come over here.
That guy, I shot him. I nearly had the snipe, but he didn't know. He never knew. He was just like, "What the hell, brother?"
Did we get that airdrop?
That default guy's good. His name's Razor Player 101.
Razer keyboard, because I got a Razer keyboard.
Razor Player, I said.
Oh.
Two viewers left.
I got a Razer keyboard and a Razer now.
Here, airdrop here.
Let's get it.
There's a chuggy. I'm gonna take it.
It's still holiday for some reason. Minis. Wow, what a joke. I haven't seen FAMASas in ages. They removed all the bursts. They just have FAMASas now. Did you know that?
Wait, what?
They removed grey bursts and blue bursts and green bursts.
Did they?
Yeah, and they bring back dualies. And I think they vaulted one more thing.
Fell off the mountain.
I think they removed one more. Should we rift from here or no?
No, we gotta wait. We'll rift in a second though.
Okay, we'll use our rift and we'll pick up the minis or something.
Oh, you've got a rift?
I've got a rift. You have one too.
Yeah. Yeah, buddies. They're fighting. Now's
Can we not?
now's the time.
You should have picked up the minis or something.
Nah, it's fine.
Get to zone. Don't go onto them. Get onto zone, because then we can camp zone and they won't be able to.
Win behind these.
I can't. I am way far away. I'm not.
One.
I'm not with you. I am not with you.
Low, they're lasered.
Guy behind you. Coming up on the mountain now. Lasered. 48 shield. I'm at zone. I'm not with you. Be careful.
Got them both. Let's go. Get out of here.
Go, dude.
I've got max everything.
Do you have a rift gun?
2 kids on me. No, I don't.
I shot him down.
Yeah, he's
I shot him
lasered.
down.
I know.
I'm camping zone. Shooting his wall out.
Lasered. Got one. One's not.
Nice.
I need help.
I'm rifting to you. He's underneath you. He sees me.
Let's actually go.
We
Holy crap. Thank you for watching, guys. If you made sure to smash that like button and subscribe. We just won that game. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And well, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.